can't wear them next year, so what you gonna do? You gonna cut them at the knees, mama. Cut them at the knees. Don't worry about the mud stains on the knees. You gonna cut it off. Cut it off. Alright. You can either cuff them. Christopher, be quiet. Alright, you can cuff them. Alright, you got 3 options. You can cuff them. You can leave them distressed, which I'm going to cuff his up one time instead of the distressed look. Alright, then you can go to the sweatpants. Remember, with the sweatpants, you want to pull them. After you cut them, pull them so they can roll up a little bit. Alright, get them with that iron. I see your toe, I see your toe. Mama toe, that mama toe. Alright. Look at that shea butter, your lotion, your moisturizer. I'll pull them kids up. Ain't nobody gonna be bothered by them kids having on cut out pants. Look good, smell good, feel good. You know, somebody hurt. Those for Caleb. Alright, I had to leave this clip in here. There's no audio. But in this moment, I was wrong when it came to the parking spot, and I had to apologize. Sorry, ma'am.